it's thick there, eh? Like lots of mud. We got some people watching. We'll put on a show for you. Welcome back, friends. Don here from Adventures This Way. I'm back out with the mudwife as she takes on the mud at the Napanee ATV Park for the second time. Okay, so this is where we came through where you drove last time.
Yeah.
We kind of came through back and you drove this one, so this was nothing too crazy, but... quite a bit of water since when we were here in the middle of September, but this got really dug out because everybody was going. I think this is the easiest part.
Together.
What?
Why are we going in it together?
Why, do you want to do it?
Well, no, but why would you do it by yourself first?
Oh, I've been through here a bunch of times.
Isn't it going to be harder with two people?
No, I'll be fine. Okay. I was thinking I should go to the right just a little bit. We are not in the center of the ruts. Here, it's not deep. Should have took a left turn at Albuquerque. Whoa! Whoa! We're in a pickle here. That's about worst case scenario.
Nice. Sideways?
Yeah. How's it going, fellas? Crazy, eh? We got some people watching. We'll put on a show for you. Yeah, you can follow me if you want. Like I'll shoot
Joe, and then I'll get stuck, and then you pull me with the hook.
No, I have no problem at all. Yeah, keep her going. And then, yeah, this way, this way, this way. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, keep her going. Yeah, this way, this way, this way. Whoa. You're good. That's what I was saying. You got to keep it running. Oh, fire back up. feel the front end kind of coming up like that?
Yeah.
You gotta let off probably a little sooner. Like the throttle, just like, could you feel yourself? The front end coming up?
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah. So you just gotta be mindful of that. This has got a lot of jam. It's not in sport mode, so it's not gonna go crazy. Well, that was good, good. Yeah, you're getting a little aggressive when I'm standing right there.
Yeah, 'cause I have
Splashing.
no control, just so you know.
I know. You're going in, like, your instincts to go in with just a little bit of speed is really good because you need a little bit of momentum, but not so hard that if you hit something that you don't see, it's gonna throw you sideways. I know there's a big hole right here, but see where I am? There's a high spot. Ooh, that's a little higher degree of difficulty, for sure. There's so much mud in it. This has got some thick mud in it, boys. I think we'll put her in sport mode because we're gonna need it. Well, we're high centered pretty good right now. Okay, wrong foot forward. How was your second time out?
Great.
It was great? You loved it? Right on. We'll do it again? If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up button and then go and check out the Mudwife's first ride right here on the screen. See you in the next one.